I'm from North, so if you want to see the most tattered place for Nigeria, may you come North. Now there you go see Almajiri, where they beg food. Now there we don't get Babangida as a president. We get two Eradua as a president, the first and the second one. Buhari now 2 times where you don't rule Nigeria. We don't get Abdulsalam Abubakar. All these one are big president. All these people don't rule our country. They are all from North. My guy, enter North, may you see what they happen. People they die, hate, they kill all of them. Why? Now it make me one man another person. If I swear to God, I feel like Igbo made them give Igbo people. Why? Because since when they born me never see Igbo man handwork. I don't see Obasanjo. That one I don't see in handwork. But make I see Igbo people how they want to take rule our country.
So why you don't want to make them give Igbo person now? Why you want to vote for Igbo now? Why?
Why I don't know why. You know now. You know if you change rice, you know if you change rice name. I be Hausa man, no matter what. Even if you know now my bet. If you say make I follow the right way, or make I forget what do they call it? Make I forget tribalism. My guy, I go for Peter Obi.
Okay, now, so now because of tribalism now, I make you feel.
My guy.
You don't feel give Igbo person, you don't feel vote for Igbo.
Yes, so I know
because of tribe.